Math page for section 7.1. It tells you what an inequality is in the box. For each statement in given words, write a statement in mathematical symbols. Use these symbols: not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not less than or equal to, or not greater than or equal to. So here's the words. Part A, the measure of angle M. That's what that looks like in math symbols, is not equal to the measure of angle H. Words, mathematical symbols. The measure of segment AB is not greater than or equal to the measure of segment KP. The measure of angle Q is less than or equal to the measure of angle Z. The measure of segment LO is not less than or equal to the measure of segment CD. The measure of segment AZ is greater than or equal to the measure of segment BY. Number 2, we're going to complete each sentence. If 10 is less than 15 and 15 is less than 20, then we know that 10 is less than 20. That's an example of some type of property of inequalities. Well, we have three things there. If 10 is less than 15 and 15 is less than 20, we also know that that same 10 is less than 20. So you're comparing those three things, 10, 15, and 20. That's your transitive property, remember. 8 is bigger than 3, so 8 times 5 is bigger than 3 times 5. We multiplied both sides by 5. So that's the multiplication property of inequalities. Likewise, if you have a subtraction sign, you can subtract something from both sides, or divide from both sides. Here's part E. If point M is between points E and O, and point E, and point O are collinear, then, well, it looks like this, if I would draw a diagram. What would you be able to say here? Well, I would say the distance from E to M plus the distance from M to O equals the distance from E to O. That's your segment addition postulate. And I'm pretty sure this one's going to be angle addition. If you have a ray, RS, that's in between ray RD and ray RC, then, well, here's what it's going to look like. I think drawing a picture is a great idea. I'm going to say the measure of angle DRS, that's this little guy, plus the measure of angle SRC equals the measure of angle DRC.